Oh, good morning, everybody. So it is Friday. Woohoo! Another easy day, really. This geometry stuff is way too easy compared to what we've been doing. So today's objective is talking about triangles and their angles. So triangles and their angles. So with this thing called the triangle larger angle theorem, what does it say? Well, basically it says that the largest or longest side is opposite the longest side. And believe it or not, vice versa. Okay, and that would be that. What's vice versa? Well, the smallest angle and the, which is going to make a lot of sense, that the smallest angle is opposite the smallest or least smallest side. Okay, so let me try and draw this one in, and I think you guys are going to see it. So let me put the 8 down here. Scoot this up. This is a super easy lesson today, you guys. Okay, 8 is about there. And now my 7, so this is 8. My 7 and my 6 have to fit in such a way that they touch. So one way I can do this is with a compass. I'll show you how to do it to get them to work. One way to get this to work, because I like to use a compass, and I'll show you how it works. So if I get my compass out, and I need the next one to be 6, so I'm just going to use my compass and go 6. See how I'm doing this? Like this, 6. Right about there, 6, right about there. So I know this length is 6, right? So if I put it on my, so this length is 6, right? So from here to here is 6 for sure. And then if I make the other one 7, all right, so I can just get my ruler out again. If I make this one 7, it's kind of a cool way to do this, I think. This one's 7. Then where they intersect is where my triangle is, okay? Okay, that one's 7. So if I draw in my triangle, and this for sure is going to be 6. And this is for sure going to be 7. There's my triangle. Okay, let me label it ABC. So let me label my triangle as triangle A, B, C. And then another way to label triangles, and I like this, side AB, we just call little c because it's opposite C. Side BC, instead of calling it side BC, we'll call it little a, because it's opposite of angle A. And side AC right here, instead of calling it AC, let's call it little b, because that's the way we do things. Okay, so capital letters in triangles make the angles, and the small case letters make the sides. So instead of saying side AB, I'm just saying instead, let's call it C. Okay, instead of side BC, I'm just going to call it side A, because it's opposite side A. And same thing, so I'm calling it side AC, I'm just going to call it side B. Okay, so here's the thing. I already know this, that angle B is the largest angle. Okay, this angle is from smallest to largest, so the smallest then has to be what? Angle A. Angle A's got to be the smallest because it's opposite the smallest side. So smallest to largest, we're going to go angle A. And then what's next? Well, it would have to be the side that's got the 7 on it, which would be angle C. And then the largest has got to be angle B because it's opposite the largest side, which is angle C. Or, I'm sorry, angle B. Easy, huh? Easy, easy, easy. Now, the last thing is the triangle inequality side theorem, okay? So, sometimes triangles don't exist. For example, let me try and draw maybe this one. Okay, it is possible for a triangle not to exist. If these two sides aren't bigger than this side, it won't make a triangle. Oops, screwed up, sorry. If these two sides together aren't bigger than this side, it can't exist. So if I draw an 11, check this out. So I draw my 11. Here's my 11, right? 11 long. There's 11. And then I draw on the other side 8. And then 3. They won't make it. They almost touch, but they don't. So it doesn't even make a triangle. The best you could do is lay it straight down so that you could do something like this. I mean, the 8 collapses all the way down like this. The 3 collapses down like this, and they just barely touch there, but that's not a triangle. So here's what the triangle inequality side theorem says. It says any two sides together must be bigger than the third. Has to be. So 5 plus 6, that's 11, that'll work. These two are bigger. 6 plus 10, 16, that's bigger than 5. And 5 plus 10, that's bigger than 6. Any two. 3 plus, oh, that might not work. 3 plus 12, that's 15. That wouldn't make 17. So we try to draw that one in. That's impossible, right? So we try and draw that one in. Draw 17. Okay, so 17 is like really like long, super long. There's my 17, right? There's my 17. You guys can't see, but it's all the way like that. 17 is 17. And I try and draw in a 3. 3 is like right there from this side. And I try and draw in a 12 from this side. It's just not going to make a triangle. So, if any two added together aren't as big as a third, a triangle does not exist. So that's all I have for today. So this one, yes, this will exist. You can draw that triangle. Cannot draw that triangle because these two added together will not make 17. This one's no because they have to be bigger, not equal. That one will not exist either. Okay, so that's all I have. It's pretty easy day to day. Please do the homework. Progress reports are going to come on out. I would hate to have you get in trouble because you aren't doing your homework. Okay, that's all I have for today.